Welcome to our video, where I will show you the 10 amazing benefits of eating dates. Let's get into it, shall we? The next time you're craving something sweet, instead of going for candy, opt for dates instead. They're just as sweet and way better for you. This natural treat is a delicious source of fiber, with high concentrations of potassium and vitamin A. Here are 10 reasons you'll want to add dates to your shopping cart ASAP. Learn all about the different types of dates here. Number 1. Boost energy. Dates are high in natural sugars, so if you need a quick burst of energy midday, instead of going for a second cup of coffee, go for a handful of dates. Or, if you don't like them plain, whip up some energy balls or oatmeal bars packed with dates to fight the midday slump. Number 2. Relieve intoxication and prevent a hangover. Did you have one too many tropical rum cocktails on your beach vacation? Pop in a few dates when you get home, or carry them while you're out. The high concentration of fructose in dates is thought to help speed the metabolism of alcohol and could bring relief if you're feeling the effects of one too many drinks. If you still end up with a hangover the next morning, try having them as a snack when you wake up. These other hangover remedies work too. Number 3. Strengthen bones. Most people know that getting enough sunlight and foods with vitamin D is vital for bone health. But the combination of minerals like magnesium and copper that are packed into dates make them a superfood for strengthening bones too. Whether you are looking to fight off existing osteoporosis or bulk up your bones as a preventative measure, dates could help. These cranberry date bars are perfect for cooking on Sunday and snacking on all week long. Number 4. Relieve constipation. Another one of the benefits of dates is that they are high in soluble fiber, which promotes healthy and comfortable digestion. If you're suffering from constipation, try incorporating dates into your diet, and don't forget to drink extra water. Try out this smooth date shake for dates on the go. Number 5. Promote heart health. Consistently making heart-healthy dinners is one way to help your ticker. But dates are high in potassium, which is essential to keeping your heart health in tip-top shape too. Number 6. Reduce inflammation. Magnesium is a mineral known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and you can definitely get your share of it in dates. A study with over 3,700 participants showed that a diet rich in magnesium was associated with a lower concentration of markers of inflammation in postmenopausal women. Turmeric can also help reduce inflammation. Number 7. Reverse anemia. If you're iron deficient, dates are a great way to help you get back on track. A single serving contains about 1 milligram of the necessary mineral. Give this lemon date couscous a try for a healthy, iron-rich meal. It's even vegan. Number 8. Encourage weight gain. If you struggle to put on pounds, dates are a healthy way to increase your body weight. While they're packed with nutrients, they're also packed with calories. A serving of 4 dates clocks in just shy of 270 calories. Number 9. Satisfy your sweet tooth. If you're the type of person who can never get enough sugar, dates are a great alternative to unhealthy treats. Keep a pack on hand to help curb your cravings for cookies, candies, and other sweet stuff. Number 10. Lower cholesterol. If you're looking for a way to bring your cholesterol down, dates are a good source of soluble fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol as part of a healthy diet. These natural foods can lower cholesterol too. Let us know any benefits we may have missed in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.